previous video about WordPress tutorial, we have shown you about how to speed up our WordPress website. Now, in this tutorial, we will show you how to install and configure WordPress SEO plugin. First, we need to log in our dashboard. Then, we can click plugin and add new in here. We suggest you to using SeoPress plugin. This SEO plugin is very easy, simple, but powerful. Just type SeoPress in here. Click install now. Then we can activate our SeoPress. After our plugin is activated, we can click SEO in here. You can see there is new menu called SEO. And for the basic configuration, we will configure the titles and metas in here. You can see this is for separator. We can change this suitable we want, but the most important is meta description for our website. To set our meta description, we can just go to settings and choose general. The tagline, this code is mean get in here. For example, this website is about tech and information. This is our description for homepage. It's better if you are using not too long description in here. Just you can add reference, for example, for Google. This is the description. Or you can find Bing, for example. This is just only example for you. And you can click save after you choose settings, for example in here. Now, to see the description of your website is changed, you can click the home page like this, and then you can right click if you are using Google Chrome and choose view pictures. And this is your description for meta in the WordPress website. Okay, this is just for example. You can change the description suitable with your website that discuss about some topic in here. Okay, in the next video, we will show you how to create XML and HTML sitemap.